This time on Gearing Up, we're checking out the Ultimate Comp by Donner Pedals. Okay, so I want to start with the coolest thing that I've noticed about this pedal, which is something that when I play through this guitar on the clean channel, I want to be in the middle position with the split coil. It's what sounds best to me. And without the pedal, when you're switching from a bridge to the split coil, which is a common problem, you're going to have a lot of volume loss. So that was the main reason I got this pedal, is to keep that loss of volume from happening. So without the pedal, this is the bridge humbucker on the clean channel. And then when I switch to the single coil, we have quite a bit of volume loss there. So let's see if the pedal can help that out a little bit. Everything is at noon on this pedal. So that was a bridge humbucker. Now let's switch to the single coil. Makes a huge difference. So let's hear it in context of a guitar riff. So without the pedal. Now we'll turn the pedal on. Just makes everything fatter. It makes a little bit brighter, a little bit more attack to the picking. That was all on the single coil middle position pickup. It's a world of difference on the clean channel. So let's switch over to the dirty channel and see what it can do there. This is just the dirty channel. The pedal is off right now. Let's turn the pedal on. Got a little bit of a noise, but nothing too bad. So again, a lot more attack, everything. You can hear all the strings ring out a lot better. It's definitely an improvement, and I'm a huge fan of this pedal right now. I notice a huge difference in the sound, and I had all of the knobs set at 12 o'clock on this. It's got a little switch up here that goes from normal mode to treble mode. In my opinion, the normal mode has a lot more high end than the treble mode, which maybe it's accidentally reverse wired. I don't know why it would be like that. I've got mine set in the treble mode with everything at noon, and I actually usually have the compression set a little bit higher. I think it sounds good. If you get too high on this compression knob, it actually starts to add a little bit of grit to your amp. So you got to keep it right around 2 o'clock is where I found the best place to be is. And then just adjust the level and tone to your taste. But yeah, again, $30, all metal construction, true bypass, micro pedal from Donner. Out of the park, guys. Great pedal.